solve some questions based on the previous video. A square loop of side 10 centimeter. Square loop of side 10 centimeters and resistance 1 by 2 ohm is placed vertically in east-west plane. वर्टिकली मतलब ऐसा. कौन से प्लेन में? ईस्ट वेस्ट प्लेन में. नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट. सो लाइक ऐसे ये प्लेन है, ईस्ट वेस्ट प्लेन है, ईस्ट वेस्ट प्लेन है, इसके अंदर वर्टिकली पड़ा है. ओके, आई डोंट माइंड. A uniform magnetic field is 0.10 Tesla is set up to across the north east direction. So मतलब वो ऐसे पड़ा है ईस्ट वेस्ट प्लेन में. ईस्ट वेस्ट प्लेन ऐसा है एंड वो लाइक ऐसे पड़ा है, ऐसे लाइक east west plane. East is this direction and west is actually this direction, so this is basically a single line. So how can this be a plane? So it might be this plane. So like a uniform, it is places and it is like a northeast direction. Northeast is basically this. So like it is like this. So basically this, if this is this and this is it, it's placed in a, if it is placed across a northeast direction and the magnetic field is decreased to 0 in 0.30 seconds, change of magnitude of induced EMF. Basically where is it? So क्या बोल रहा है? The magnetic field is decreased to 0 in 0.7 seconds at a steady rate. Determine the magnitudes of induced EMF. Determine the magnitudes of induced EMF and the current. So basically induced EMF is what? EMF equal to delta phi by delta t. So delta t I know. So phi is basically BA. So B is what? B is like 1 by 10. A is what? Like since it is 10 centimeter, 10 by 100 into 10 by 100. So like it is like this, but like B is where? B is here actually, and like B is here. Since it is like this, since it is like this, the area must be here. Area vector must be here. Area vector must be here. Area vector must be here or here. Like let's say here, because it is here. I'll take it like this, and it is north east direction. So it is like this as a 45 degrees. So cos 45 I'll do, and that is like 1 by root 2. That is it. And like how much time did it take? Like 0.70, like 7 by 10. Yeah. So like this ting tang 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 1 by 2 root 100. Now root 2 by 100, and I know that is 100% wrong. Yes, I knew it. So that is phi. So like that is phi. Like BA cos theta. That was correct. So like this was like the area. Area was like 10 to the power minus 2. Yeah, 10 to the power minus 2. B. What was B? B was actually yes 1 by 10. Yes, actually. And then like root 2. Yeah, and what was delta t? That was 10 by 10. I was right. Yes, I was right. So where did the 7 go? Where did the 7 go? That is 1.4 into 7. Like so, almost like they did it. I'm sorry, guys. My calculation sucks. Oh, like they almost like took it like almost to the level. And we know that is basically E by R. So like we just divided it. So yeah, it is in million here now. So like moving further. Now we have like a solenoid. A solenoid has like 10 turns per centimeter. 10 turns per centimeter. 4 ampere current. A circular loop with 5 turns. A circular. Then they have a circular loop with 5 turns. 8 centimeter square lies within the solenoid. With its axis, the axis of the solenoid. मतलब कि इस तरीके से somewhere like this, like this, and 2 like this, to an angle of like 37 degrees to it. Find the magnitude of the average induced EMF in the current. The current in the solenoid increases by average induced EMF. EMF is basically BA cos theta. So like the B, of so the B, we know that the B by the solenoid, it is basically mu naught Ni. It is basically mu naught Ni, right? Am I right? Yes, I can't be wrong. Okay, so like where did Ni? So like what did I do wrong? I don't know. Like a solenoid has like 10 turns. A solenoid has 10 turns and carries a 4 ampere current. A solenoid has 10 turns per centimeter, like mu naught Ni. Okay, I got it. That is like 40 mu naught per centimeter, like 4 by 10 maybe, for 0.4 mu naught. A circular loop with 5 turns of area, 8 centimeter lies with the solenoid. So that won't create any effect. So this will be the area. The area, if this is like this, if it is like this, then the area will be somewhere here, somewhere here. No. What I am doing wrong? Let's say this is the solenoid and it is vertical. Let's say that this is the solenoid and it is the vertical. Since it is here, its area is gonna be here, and like this angle is like it's like 37 degrees. So what will be this angle? So like what will be this angle? Ideally this is not it. Like this is 37. This is 37. What it is gonna be? It is gonna be 90. But with this, what is this gonna be? With this, what it is gonna be? It is gonna be like 37. Then you have it like 53, and like with the vertical I'm talking, like this is 90. This is definitely 90. This is 90. This is 90. Like if this is the vertical, this is it, then like this must be like 180. That must be like क्या कर रही हूँ मैं, क्या कहना क्या चाहती हूँ मैं. ये रहा मेरा सोलेनॉइड, ये रहा मेरा वो सर्कल, मतलब इसके वो मान लो ये 37 डिग्रीज पर है. ये रहा उसका एरिया वेक्टर. मेरे को इसकी ज़रूरत है. अब मेरे को इसका ये थीटा निकालना है. तो मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो चुका है, मैं ये नहीं निकाल पा रही हूँ. ये मुझे पता है कि ये 90 है. हाँ जी, एरिया तो 90 होगा. ये 180 माइनस 90 माइनस 53 है. ये मम्मी की जय तुम्हारी और 50. एरिया दैट इज a cos 30, a cos 53, a sin 53. This has nothing to do with it. I believe that this has nothing to do with it, since the axis is this, and we know that mu naught Ni. Mu naught is mu naught, n is like 10, and I is, that is basically n is like per centimeter. That is also like ठीक है. I is 4. That is like b a cos theta. Like b is here like mu naught into 40 mu naught. A is basically a is given to me like 400. No, it needs not be there. A वैसे मैंने गलती किया था. cos 37 क्या होता है यार, मैं थप्पड़ मार दूँगी अगर. cos 53 है, अनपढ़ गवार. cos 53, cos 3/5 mu naught cos 40 mu naught cos 37. And with turns 5. Induced EMF मेरे हिसाब से तो 24 into 40 mu naught. That is 16, 8, 9, 60 mu naught. That might be initial. So like मेरे हिसाब से तो 240, बट मेरे को पता है कि मेरी किस्मत इतनी अच्छी कहाँ है. So like if the current in the solenoid increases by 25%. हाय अच्छा, तो लाइक करंट जो है 25% बढ़ गया. 25% बढ़ गया. 25% बढ़ गया. 4 + 4 × 1/4. दैट इज़ बेसिकली 5 एम्पियर हो गया अब करंट. अब करंट हो गया गाइस 5 एम्पियर. अब करंट हो गया. अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चन में इतना टाइम लगा रही हूँ तो लानत है मेरे ऊपर. वो तो है ही सही. 5 एम्पियर करंट हो गया. पहले 4 था, तो लाइक 5 हुआ कितने टाइम में. तो ये क्या था. अच्छा, तो पहले इसको 50 हो गया ना, तो लाइक ये 50 हो गया. मतलब कि 50 × 24 mu naught. that is basically like how much, like yeah, so like वो 24 into 5 like 20, 10 1 2 0. What? I did this no, but this is not wrong. 1200 minus 960 definitely. इतनी खराब कैलकुलेशंस करी और मैं जेई देने वाली हूँ. Fuck off to me. 240 mu naught by into 10 like it's 2400 mu naught. मुझे पता है कि मेरा आंसर बिल्कुल नहीं मैच करेगा, बट स्टिल होप्स आर लाइव. व्हाट वी कैन डू, आई न्यू इट. और लाइक म्यू नॉट की वैल्यू क्या होती है? अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि मेरे को म्यू नॉट की वैल्यू नहीं पता, आई हेट माई सेल्फ. म्यू नॉट इज़ वॉट? इसका ढक्कन कहाँ है? दो आई एम ढक्कन माई सेल्फ, बस स्टिल इसका ढक्कन कहाँ है? म्यू नॉट की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 4 पाई इंटू 10 to the power minus 7. No, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, but something like that. I don't know, like let's see what the answer is like. इन्होंने shit यार, इन्होंने फिर से देखते हैं कि अब इसने क्या करा और मैंने क्या करा. इसने कहा EMF होता है dB/dt into A n cos 30. तो इन्होंने वैल्यूज पुट करी सिंपली हैं. म्यू नॉट मैंने भी रखा like di/dt. Oh, so they simply did this because mu naught is gonna remain same. A and like cos 37. Yes, I also but I did cos 53. Like, what is the problem with me? What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? 37. Why 37? Why 37? या तो जो उसकी एक्सेस भी तो ऐसी होती है ना, या तो ये 37 ही होना था और मेरा ही दिमाग सटक गया था. मतलब कि एरिया इस साइड आएगा, तो अगर ऐसे रखा है तो उसकी एक्सेस ऐसी है और वो इसके साथ जो एंगल है वो 37 डिग्री में आ रही है. तो क्या दिक्कत है? तो 37. अच्छा चलो मान गया कि दिस इज़ माई फॉल्ट फॉर श्योर. ठीक है, cos 37 n. ठीक है, n क्या रखा इन्होंने? n रखा इन्होंने 5. a रखा इन्होंने 8 × 10 to the minus 4. अग्रीड. तो di/dt क्या हुआ? di हुआ अपना कहीं ना कहीं अपना di हुआ अपना, वो तो पता ही है. di ठीक है, चेंज कितना हुआ इतना. ठीक है, आई हेट माई सेल्फ.